If you are someone who's looking for a loving and committed relationship and you are facing challenges, this podcast is for you. Hi, welcome to our third podcast where we will be talking about how to attract and keep the relationship that you want. Hi, I'm Shilpa.
Hi, I'm Shailaja. Welcome to our podcast. And Shilpa, this is a very interesting topic because A, we are going to be talking about how to attract, and B, which is so important, how to keep the relationship, how to maintain the relationship, how to work on it, how to give in all your energy, all your effort, with that special someone. So, yes, I'm super excited for this podcast today.
Same here. I'm super excited because I think most of us face this challenge. I mean, I've had challenges in my previous relationship. It's easy
Yeah.
to attract a relationship, but
Yeah.
it's very difficult to keep one. And
Yeah.
that's the reason people either jump from relationship to relationship or they end up losing one so soon.
Yeah, like attracting, yes, definitely it's easy to attract, but it's also important to see who is that person right for you, right? I mean, there's a saying that, don't look for the perfect person.
Hmm.
See if the person is perfect for you,
Yeah.
right? So how do we do that? How do you know that yes, this person is perfect for you, right? So I think that's something that our audience will, get a lot of insight in that space.
And I think there's nobody who's perfect. I mean, I call myself as
No
somebody
one is
who's
perfect.
imperfectly perfect because I know I am imperfect and I've been working on my imperfections over the years. So,
Yeah.
two imperfect people coming together and trying to make the relationship perfect.
Yes, very true. So I always say that, you're not competing with each other, right? You are complementing each other.
Absolutely.
Fulfilling the shortcomings. I mean, shortcomings is a word that I'm just using, but you're fulfilling the things that, the other person lacks, and they are fulfilling the things that you lack. And that's how you kind of end up complementing each other.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's actually perfect.
Right. So for me, I think, we all have grown up watching movies. And I think मेरे लिए वो जो idea था ना perfect partner, perfect relationship. I was growing up a diehard fan of Shah Rukh, and I could literally feel okay, perfect relationship ऐसा होता है, perfect partner ऐसा होता है जैसे वो movies में portray करता है. And when
Very.
I got into my first relationship, I was like, damn, there's nothing like even 1% close to जो movies में दिखाते हैं. Either movies are wrong or there's something wrong with this relationship. Of course, we will not believe. I mean, I was too young then. I was just into my college and I didn't knew it was like really, really the thing that movies can be wrong. So I thought, something is wrong with me, something is wrong with this relationship or with this partner. क्योंकि movies में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता जो मेरी real life में हो रहा है.
Very true, because even I remember even when I was in college and all my guy friends, they used to say, "Oh, you're such a wonderful and such an understanding person. You will have a wonderful relationship. There will be like, the guy who's with you, he's so lucky because you're so understanding and everything will be, they created such a rosy and such a wow picture. Then when I actually got into a relationship, I was like, oh my God, it it's the complete opposite. I am not understanding. I am being a nagging person. you know I mean, because with that special someone, you have so many expectations. Everything goes
True.
so high, and when that doesn't get fulfilled, you just feel you become like me. I become a nag.
Yeah, your natural sense comes out, which the world does not see. So
Exactly.
they just see that sweet face of ours, but the real person sees the entire us.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So that was a reality check when
So,
you when I
so I
actually.
think movies wala ek part sahi tha that attraction really happens soon. Sometimes it's like, the love at first sight.
Yeah.
या फिर किसी ने आपको ऐसे attention दी and you think, oh wow, this person is
Oh
so
yeah.
much in love with me. तो
Yeah.
वो वाला part I think was pretty much true. But जो
Yeah.
movies में देखा उसके बाद hard work नहीं दिखाते. उसके बाद movies में आ जाता है the
वो
end.
हैप्पीली एवर आफ्टर हो जाता है ना उनके
या
हिसाब
happily
से।
ever after आ जाता है या the end लिखा हुआ आता है. But the
Very
real thing happens after the end. जो movies में
exactly.
नहीं दिखाते. And this is what I figured out from my life. कि main work तो the end के बाद होता है life में.
Yeah, and that is a lot of work. That's a
Yeah.
lot of work.
Yeah.
Lot of funs. There are a lot of firsts in that also. Like, the first honeymoon period has a lot of firsts, but then later on, that also has a lot of firsts. But I think somewhere many of us lack the patience,
Hmm.
work on it, to give it that time, to give it that effort and that energy.
Hmm.
It's where, that friction comes, and then maybe you just feel, you know what, maybe it's not going to work out, and let me just kind of go ahead, move ahead, or move on.
Right, right.
And I think that's where the true test comes,
The real work happens.
the real work happens at that time. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you feel? What is it that what's that what are those few pointers that we can share with our audience where that real work is what they need to look out for?
So, since you mentioned about honeymoon period, let me just
Mm,
start with, what comes to my mind, for each and every relationship. Yes,
mm,
honeymoon period is there when you meet somebody, that initial attraction phase, you love everything about that person because you're still
yeah,
exploring that person, the kind
yeah,
of, care, attention that person shows towards you. And you just think, oh, it's the true love that I've been seeking.
yeah,
And that's something nobody has given me. So yes, the honeymoon period is always there in every relationship. For somebody, it's 2 months. For somebody, it might be 2 years.
yeah.
But the truth is that honeymoon period will eventually come to an end. And the
Mm,
real test is what happens after the honeymoon period is over. Because the relationship will definitely lose its spark. It will never be the same because, we're now spending all our time with the same person.
exactly.
So that person will not excite us every moment. We
You
become so
come to know the
used.
other side also of that person.
Yeah, we become so used to that person. Now,
Exactly.
even if you're pretending to be somebody nice initially when you meet, you
Exactly.
will not be that nice 24/7. Your real sense will be in front of the other person. And that's when you really understand, I can't love this person only when they are at their best. I need to love that person as a whole, the whole
Yeah.
of it. When
Yeah.
you are able to love that person completely, their
Yeah.
goodness and their negativity, their positive traits, their negative traits, that's when you can actually love the person as a whole. But the
Yeah.
challenge is, I'm coming from my own experience. I would say when the person is really good, we feel, wow, this is exactly what I needed.
Yeah.
But वहां पर वो लगता था कि, this person is not accepting me the way I am, or they're just pointing my negativity, or, there's something not right about this person, which I haven't seen in my life,
Yeah.
this. So we need to understand there are two different souls coming from two different backgrounds. We cannot be
Yeah.
similar.
Yeah. Yeah.
But how do I take that? How do I accept this person as a whole will
Mm,
really take that relationship further, the journey
yeah.
further?
Yeah, that's why they say na, in sickness and in health, right?
Yeah.
Interesting, because when you said, that initial part of the phase of the relationship where everything is very nice, right? So one thing I read something very interesting where it said that, don't entertain
Hmm.
in a relationship, don't entertain, right? Because I mean, it just hit me very, it's very interesting because the moment you're in a relationship and you try to entertain, that means you're trying to just make the other person happy, right?
Yeah.
And somewhere you're not being your real true self, and the other person actually is not seeing you in your raw authentic self,
Hmm.
right? And this I can talk about this with my own example. Like, I'll just give you like, now I've been married for more than 10 years, and when we were dating at that time, it's very silly, okay, very something very silly. We were just, we had just finished dinner, and then he was seeing me off, and then something happened and we started talking about it, and then he said, um he said, no, you're not beautiful. Okay. And I was like, what? It hit me so hard, and I felt so bad. And I was like, at least झूठी बोल देता, फर्क क्या पड़ता है, right? So he's like, नहीं, मैं झूठ क्यों बोलूं? You are not. So his definition of everything is very extreme. So he's like, no, you are not beautiful. I am not handsome. Period. I am not going to, do all those rosy talk and everything with you, and I'm not going to sit and entertain you. This is what it is. And that was different for me, that was actually different from me, from all the guy friends that I had,
Hmm.
because they all used to do hanji hanji and talk nicely.
Yeah.
And I
Yeah.
was like, okay, this guy is different. That excited me. And
That's
I
why I said that you accept the person fully, even though in
exactly,
his definition, he might have thought, you're not beautiful, but he accepted the whole of you because he loved you for the person you are.
exactly.
Maybe his definition of beauty was something more he was seeking, but the
Yeah,
overall you is something that he loved. And that's what I meant, that if
yeah,
you want to have that spark even after 10, 20, 30 years of your marriage or commitment, you
yeah,
really need to accept the person fully. कि ठीक है यार, उसमें ये एक trait है which I don't like, but ठीक है बाकी चार चीजें हैं which I love,
Exactly,
and I
exactly.
am more inclined towards it. And I have figured out, I mean, from my own relationship, one of my partner, I remember, would always say, कि जब तक चीजें अच्छी हैं, I can be with you. The moment things are like this or not working, then, you either fix yourself or we just walk out of the relationship. But then I realized one thing,
That's how
कभी भी कोई भी relationship perfect होगा ही नहीं. There is no
नहीं होगा.
relationship where there is no fight, there is no relationship
क्या होगा ही नहीं.
where just, the path will be like this, because सब में ups and downs आएंगे. That's how life is.
So honestly, tell me, Shilpa, अगर ups and downs नहीं है और ऐसा ही है, isn't it boring?
Of course, apart
कितना
from
हो जाएगा.
boring, you're not exploring yourself, you're not growing in
Exactly.
life.
Exactly.
I can't be the same person I was. I mean, you know it better. You married for so many years now. I'm
Mhm.
sure you and your husband have progressed as two different person. When
Yeah.
you were dating and what you are today, I'm sure there's a huge difference because
Yeah.
both of you have grown as a person.
There's a lot of patience now. There's a lot of understanding. There's a lot of space, right? So yeah, it's come with a lot of work. It's come with work. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
another thing, that comes to my mind is especially when it comes to attraction, how to attract the right person and
Yeah.
keep that person specifically when we're talking about that is, a lot of times we're not even clear about our idea of a perfect relationship, what kind of partner I want, what kind of a relationship that I want. So here
Right.
what we're trying to do and understand is if I need trust, if I need commitment, if I
Mhm.
need respect, I end up saying I need respect, love karo, mujhe care karo, prioritize karo.
Yeah.
But am I somebody who is doing the same thing to me? I've never committed to myself. I break promises with myself every single day. I
Mhm.
don't treat myself as a priority. किसी और ने मुझे कुछ बोला, I'll run and do their thing first and then leave myself behind. I don't trust my own self. I don't care for myself. I'll care for people.
Self-worth.
तो मैंने अपना केयर नहीं किया बट मैं लोगों की केयर कर रही हूँ. सो
Right.
व्हाट एम आई डूइंग? आई एम टेलिंग द वर्ल्ड, जो एनर्जी की अगर हम पर्सपेक्टिव में बात करें,
Universe, in
डोंट
short. Yeah.
लव मी, डोंट टेक केयर ऑफ मी, डोंट प्रायोरिटाइज मी, डोंट ट्रस्ट मी, बिकॉज मैं नहीं करी तो सामने वाला क्यों करेगा?
Exactly.
So now, if I want to attract somebody who loves me, who takes cares of me, who prioritizes me, who, does everything that want, I first have to be
Happy.
that energy. और
Right.
फिर when we talk about energy and vibration, अगर मैं उस चीज की energy बन गई, I'm committing to myself, I'm trusting myself, I'm loving myself, I will only attract the same energy because अब वो balance हो रहा है. अब वही इंसान मेरी लाइफ में आएगा, या अगर मेरा पार्टनर ऑलरेडी है वो अपने आप चेंज होने लग जाएगा, because now I am valuing myself, I'm giving myself all the things which I'm seeking from the person in my relationship.
Very true. Very interesting. The more I love myself, the more I actually attract people who who want to give me that love.
बट
Right?
पता है प्रॉब्लम क्या है? सोसाइटी ने हमें ऑपोजिट सिखाया है. पहले आप लोगों के लिए करो, उनको दो, एंड अगर कुछ बचा तो अपने लिए करो. एंड हेंस मोस्ट ऑफ अस आर स्ट्रगलिंग इन
अभी
रिलेशन.
भी ऐसे ही कर रहे हैं ना.
या
अभी भी ऐसे
डेफिनेटली.
ही कर रहे हैं. बहुत बार
That's
ऐसे
the
कर रहे हैं.
reason most of the people struggle in their relationship. It's only, that Instagram space where people are showing a perfect relationship, but otherwise outside Instagram people are not happy.
Yeah, actually, very true. And I've seen those instances where, I actually, when I end up talking to them, I realize that things are not as fun and frolic as they are showing on the internet,
Yeah.
right? So not to believe those things.
Yeah.
Right.
And not to believe the movies that you've watched.
Not to believe the movie.
Perfect relationships are like perfectly perfect, bed of roses.
Yeah. So this also brings me to one more thought, right? Like when people get out of relationships and they because they are longing for someone, right? They end up do attracting another person immediately, right? I mean, which is
Yeah.
what called as rebound, right? So what are your thoughts?
So, okay, I again have a very, I think this is something which is very debatable, because for some people rebound really works, for some people it doesn't work. So for
Yeah.
me, I think when I entered my second relationship, it was a rebound.
Mm-hmm.
It didn't work for sure.
Mm-hmm.
And that's when I got the maximum hit of my life. I was in depression. I had gone through the most negative phase of my life a couple of years.
Mm-hmm.
And then I started working on myself, that why did I attracted two men in my life who were like,
Mm-hmm.
exactly the opposite of the person I was seeking, who only gave me pain and lots of pain, and took 10 years of my life.
Mm.
I was like struggling to get answers, and when I kind of worked on it, I realized I quickly jumped from one relationship to another without analyzing or giving myself that space or to feel the emotions. And what I could see was, when I jumped into the second relationship,
Mm.
वो जो इंसान था, ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज अ डिफरेंट पर्सन, बट
Mm-hmm.
जो traits उसमें थे वो एग्जैक्टली सेम थे जो मेरे पहले वाले पार्टनर में थे. एंड आई वुड
Mm.
से ओके, ये भी एग्जैक्टली वैसे बिहेव कर रहा है, ये भी
Mm.
वही चीजें कर रहा है, ये भी वैसी ही बातें बोल रहा है, बिकॉज माई एनर्जी वॉज सेम. सो आई अट्रैक्टेड अ पर्सन हु वाज सिमिलर. Just the body and the face was different. Rest, everything looked exactly the same. But second relationship में क्या हुआ, the pain was
Mm.
more intense, because पहले वाले रिलेशनशिप का पेन समझ में नहीं आया, तो वो सेकंड वाला और इंटेंस हो गया. सो
Mm.
नाउ यू आस्क मी, as a person who is a healer and a coach, my definition for people, my suggestion for people is, don't jump into rebound after a breakup. I mean, that's what my point of view is. Don't jump. And the reason is, you don't get time to process your own emotions. You don't work on yourself. You don't understand who's you as a person. What went wrong? And what is it that, हमने conversation start की थी, what is it that I really need?
Need. What is it that I want?
मुझे पता ही नहीं, मैंने एक से दूसरे में जंप किया बिकॉज आई वाज टू वीक टू बी अलोन. अब जो
Right.
मुझे मिला, जो पहला चॉइस आया, आई जस्ट जम्प्ड इनटू इट. किसी ने
True.
थोड़ा सा भी केयर दिखाया, आई जस्ट जम्प्ड इनटू इट विदाउट रियलाइजिंग, इज ही द रियली one for me.
Hmm.
So for me, my
So,
suggestion is, take time, process your feelings,
mm-hmm.
understand what is that you are seeking, and when you are ready, work on your energy, change your energy, and then attract the person you want.
Right. Yeah. Interesting. So I have a different perspective to it because I think I'm a living
That's what I said. इसलिए मैंने बोला ये
example.
मेरा point of view है.
So yes, so this marriage, so yes, I did attract my husband after I just 2 months after, I think, yeah, 2 months, not even 2 months to be precise, 1.5 months after breaking up. And so obviously, because you're a psychologist, you think that, no, this is a rebound and it's not going to work and things like that. So I was not fully committed.
Hmm.
Okay. Like I was not fully committed, and because he had to go away again to sail, and he wanted that commitment, it was a lot of ups and downs. But I don't know, I mean, I think he had a lot of strength in him.
Hmm.
Okay, he had a lot of strength in him to take the relationship ahead for the next few years, right? I mean, for the next coming years, the first, second, third year, if you say, he had more strength, more resilience when it came to both of us. And then once I was into it fully, my heart, soul, everything into it, I think I became more resilient about the relationship. And I think that's why we, like, solid, strong, now more, almost 15 years together.
Hmm.
And yes, it did work for me, right? But again, how much strength does that other partner have? Because you are emotionally down.
True.
You are emotionally down. How strong is the other partner to be with you
In your
throughout
worst,
that? Sorry?
how strong is that person to take
Exactly.
care of you? Because point वही आता है. You remember I said in the initial conversation that my partner used to say, if you are at your lowest, fix yourself and then come to me. Otherwise, don't come to me. But
Right.
like you said, you very well said, you made it a well explained point that your partner was very strong here.
Right.
He had a very clear understanding, so he could know that he can take care of you.
Yeah. Yeah.
अगर अगर आप वैसा ही पार्टनर अट्रैक्ट करो जो इक्वली वीक है, then of course what will happen, you will fall apart,
Yeah.
further fall apart.
Yeah. So yeah, so this was yeah, a lot of strength was required at that time, and he did have that. And then obviously, once you're better, you're emotionally stable, you take on, and then you both are strong. And
Yeah.
that strength actually, pushes you with all the ups and downs. Ups and downs हमेशा रहेगा, अभी भी बहुत ups and downs है.
वो रहेगा. We are two
रहेगा ही.
different humans coming from two different backgrounds, two
Yeah.
different upbringings.
Yeah.
एक real challenge जो मैंने couples में देखा है after couple of years of commitment or marriage
Hmm.
is, my partner should exactly behave the way I behave. He should think or she should think exactly the way I do.
Hmm. Hmm.
You can't own a person. I have my set of thinking, you have your set of thinking.
Yeah.
And yes, there are moments where I can disagree with you. That
Yeah.
doesn't mean I don't love you. I can agree with this another person because मुझे उसका point ज्यादा valid लग रहा है, but
Yeah.
that doesn't mean I insult you or I don't love you enough. तो
Yeah.
यहाँ पे लोगों का मैंने challenge देखा है, they feel oh he is my man or she is my girl, I own this person. उनको बस वही बोला, you remember मेरे friends, you said मेरे friends हाँ में लाते थे types.
हाँ.
That's the kind of chemistry people are looking for in a relationship. And फिर वो बोलते हैं relationship नहीं चल रहा because you are not allowing the person to be who they are.
Exactly. I mean, you fell in love with them because of who they were.
But
And
eventually when you see the whole of them, you like नहीं ये तो मेरे जैसा होना चाहिए.
yeah. That's why, that's why I was saying that whole space thing is very important because, even in my relationship, we give each other so much of space. We have our own life which we lead, and yes, we do come together for a few things for our dogs and everything. But apart from that, we are poles apart. Opposites attract बोलते हैं वो है actually. We're poles apart, right?
Yeah.
So very interesting. Yes.
So, if I want to reiterate, a couple of points for people to understand how to keep the relationship that they want, probably you can just add more to it.
Yeah.
So the number one point again, I'll say is be the energy of the person that you are seeking, all the traits that you're seeking in your partner, be that energy first. Because energies never lie. I can lie through my words and my actions, but my energy will never lie.
Never lie.
So, that's one thing. Second is, it's okay, accept differences आएंगे relationship में, it can never be like this. It will be ups and downs, and you have to live with that. No relationship will exist without the fight, but how you're able to manage those fights is the real thing. How can you feel safe and secure in your relationship then?
Yeah. Third is being your raw, authentic self.
Absolutely.
Be yourself.
Yeah.
The
And
other
third is,
person.
don't compare yourself with other people,
Yeah.
other married couple or committed people, because every relationship is unique, one size does not fit all. Mira definition of a relationship can be very different from your definition of a committed relationship.
Yes.
A lot of people say, agar aapki shaadi hogi, you have to be together throughout every single day of your life. For me, I might say that being an empath, I need my space also to recharge myself, maybe.
Yeah.
I might need 10 days apart from my partner, maybe, because मुझे अपने आप को recharge करना है, क्योंकि जब तक मैंने अपने आप को recharge नहीं किया, I can't give him that love.
Yeah.
Right?
So guys, this is a very interesting, a very big topic which is coming up, which will be the next episode, where we will definitely talk about managing relationships, managing marriages, how to keep it going, how to keep the spark alive. So thank you, Shilpa, for bringing that point up. Any other pointers for summarizing?
What else would you like to add here?
So for rebound, like we said, there are two perspectives. It all depends on the strength and resilience that you as a person have. Sorry?
Of your partner and of course.
Partner, yes. Yeah. Of your partner and you, both of you. How strong are you? How resilient are you? How much of push, how much are you willing to give it, give it all, give it your 100%. So yeah, that's
and one very important point came to my mind is, you need to understand why do you need a relationship, because it's again a very different perspective. बहुत सारे लोगों को मैंने देखा है, all my friends are in a relationship इसलिए मुझे चाहिए, या सबकी शादी हो रही है इसलिए मुझे शादी करनी है. And what happens then? If it's not your thing, आप एक साल के बाद frustrate हो जाओगे कि मुझे ये चाहिए ही नहीं था, because of course your life changes after you get committed. Forget about marriage. Your life changes when you get committed because आप adapt कर रहे हो अपने partner के साथ. A lot of things will be left behind, and a lot of new things will come into your life. So you should be ready for that change. Because it cannot be you can't expect कि मैं relationship में हूँ, मैं कुछ change नहीं करना चाहता अपने बारे में, मेरी लाइफ वैसे ही रहेगी और मुझे एक रिलेशनशिप भी चाहिए. Of course things will change. That's how you bring another person into your space. So you should have your reason crystal clear कि मुझे रिलेशनशिप चाहिए है तो क्यों चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए तो भी इट्स ओके, एक्सेप्ट मुझे नहीं चाहिए. तो अगर
अभी में भी टाइम नहीं है, बाद में चाहिए होगा, ये कम है ऑटोमेटिकली.
और अगर वो क्लैरिटी है कि आपको रिलेशनशिप क्यों चाहिए, देन you can really go through those ups and downs in your relationship smoothly, because एक चीज है which will keep you together is that commitment, because love will also fade with time. वो जो एक respect है ना relationship के लिए, वो आपको हमेशा that'll take you for long term. जैसे हमारे पेरेंट्स है या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स है who've been together forever.
Yeah.
फाइट्स उनमें भी हुई थी, रिस्पेक्ट लव भी आप ऊपर नीचे हुआ होगा,
फाइट
बट
अभी भी होता है।
yeah, but they wanted that कुछ भी हो we can't walk out because I chose this relationship, मुझे commitment चाहिए, ये इंसान जैसा भी है I just love the person wholly.
Yeah.
Then then you can be with this person forever. And of
Yeah.
course, it's an everyday work. आप जैसे जिम जाते हो and you working on your muscles, your biceps, आप 2 दिन जाके नहीं बोल सकते मेरे बाइसेप्स बन गए, या 1 महीना बनाने के बाद और छोड़ने के बाद एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते कि आपके बाइसेप्स वीक ही हो गए वापस से. So
This you have to work on it every day.
a
When
relationship is something you have to work every single day.
हम ये गलती करते हैं कि चलो हमने ये कर लिया, इतना हो गया तो बस now it's supposed to be there.
अब
But
कहाँ जाएगा, अब तो कमिटमेंट हो गई, अब शादी हो गई, अब ये इंसान कहाँ जाएगा.
आ ही जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता, उस पे रोज काम करना पड़ता है. यू हैव टू गेट अप, गिव इट योर 100%, हैव अ पॉजिटिव इंटेंशन. See, you love that person, right? So have a positive intention towards that person rather than some sort of hate or anger या गुस्सा कि नहीं इसने ऐसे किया, something like that. Instead of that, just a positive intention. You love that person. So
Yeah.
so when you get up with that intention every single morning, trust me, things will change. Your day will change. And these are all tried and tested things.
And I think last but not the least, what the thing that's coming to my mind is take responsibility of your own emotions, because चाहे वो मेरा पार्टनर है, he is also going through certain things every single day. अगर मैं उस पे वो burden डाल रही हूँ कि make me feel a certain way,
हाँ,
तो I'm burdening that person and I'm making him or her guilty कि तुमने मेरे लिए ये नहीं किया.
नहीं किया. या
Yeah. So, but
तुम
if I
तुम्हारे
take
साथ रही हो तब
responsibility,
से मैं दुखी हूँ, तब से मैं
yeah.
रो रही हूँ,
So if I'm taking my own responsibility of my emotion, he can add more to it.
take onus of your action.
Yeah. Yeah. So I
Yeah.
think this is one topic. I think we both can go on and on
I
and on.
think we can go on and on, right?
So I think we'll have to stop somewhere.
We'll have
And
to stop.
I really enjoyed this particular episode. And
I
of
mean,
course,
if our audience want more on this, please do let us know. Then we'll do
yeah.
the part two of this also.
And let us know, if you are in the existing relationship, this definitely will work for you and improve your relationship. If you're seeking a committed relationship, a long-lasting marriage, commitment, whatever it is for you, trust us, this will definitely work for you. And do let us know in the comments below, if you've tried this, what worked, what really worked for you, and what changed for you. We would love to read your comments.
Yes, please do comment, please do like, share, and subscribe. And yes, please do let us know if you want a second part on this. We'll definitely work on that.
Yeah, and share this particular podcast with as many people as because I think we all need that love. और जो movies में the end के बारे में हुआ था, that's what we've talked about. इस the end के बाद क्या करना होता है, that's really the podcast is all about.
Yeah. Thank
So
you guys.
thank you
Thank you
so
guys for
much,
tuning in.
guys. We really love doing this for you guys, and thank you so much, Shailaja. And we'll see you guys next week, same time in our next podcast. Thank you so much.